Hey guys, Nash here. So in this video we are going to review this new custom ROM called Aquarius OS. Now this custom ROM is based on Android Pie and it has many features. So let's get started. So guys, this is how the home screen looks when you first install this ROM. It has basic pixel launcher. And let me quickly show you its Aquarius OS in the about section, and as you can see this is based on Android 9. And guys, check out the name of this kernel. This is Bikini Bottom. Clearly the developer of this ROM is huge fan of SpongeBob SquarePants. And now let's have a look what's in the notification drawer. So as you can see there are plenty of tiles here. There is a tile for sound search, caffeine. It means you can control when your screen goes off. There is accent colors. You can screen record if you want directly from the notification drawer. Also you have an option to change your font. And I don't know why stock Android doesn't have this feature yet. And I'm going to go for my favorite Ubuntu fonts. Now let's go to setting menu and let me show you the features. So all the features are packed in this tab called Coral Leaf. So you will find all the customization in this tab. So when you go there you find customization for your buttons, lock screen, you can customize your status bar, notification menu, and if you're into themes there is dark and white theme available. Also you can change accent colors as I just showed you in notification drawer. And guys, if you're using a Pixel phone then you can customize squeeze action in this ROM. You can assign any custom action or you can launch an app with the squeeze. I'm sure SpongeBob will like that feature. Even you can customize your fingerprint. You can swipe down your fingerprint if you want to see notifications. Also you can customize your recent menu. You can make horizontal or vertical. Definitely I'm going for vertical since Android Pie I don't like the horizontal style because it looks like Apple, and you know Apple is not a company, it's a religion. And if Apple is a religion then I'm definitely an atheist. And guys, there are plenty of other features and customization in this ROM, but that's not the reason I installed it. I installed because I wanted more battery life from my Pixel 2 XL. Before installing this ROM I was getting around 5 hours of screen on time, sometimes 6, but after this ROM, as you can see, I got almost 7 hours of screen on time. And guys, I'm talking about screen on time, not the battery life. If you are talking about standby time, if you leave your phone 100% at the night, in the morning, it is going to be around 98%. So only 2% battery drain with all the notification on overnight. And that's amazing. So in the end, you have to decide if you want to install this ROM for the features or for battery life. It's like if you're Netflix and chill kind of guy or Amazon Prime and commitment kind of guy. And guys, installing this ROM is really easy. You don't even need to install apps because Google Apps are inbuilt. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you appreciate my work, like this video. This is Nash signing out, and I will see you tomorrow.